Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Graham Souness will be one of the football pundits out there. So Babako Commerce I can talk about Kai Havertz based on what Kevin Campbell talk yesterday. Say make Arteta use Kai Havertz as the number 9 by the time they will don't come back from this winter break. So Babako they explain say Kai Havertz no be person who will use as our number 9. Say he doesn't have what it takes to score regular goals in that number 9 position, because when you check most of the chances where they create for Kai Havertz, they miss a majority of those chances. So is this somebody you honestly think you can rely on in the number 9 position? That's the $1 million question. Many people will say no, we cannot rely on him. Some will say based on his antecedents in the past matches when he don't play, when they score goals consistently, say if they still give him, saying will still score many goals. All these ones now our own different opinion, because we have a diverse audience member in this place. So everybody get their own different opinion. But at the end of the day, now Arteta will decide who you want to use. Because for me, I would say anything Arteta won't try, and I'm making try, because we can't be using the same thing and be expecting different results. So if that experimentation, try them now, you get, because we need to change something from the way we play, because people don't really master the way we the setup. So we need to switch things up. So if they don't get any striker to come in, but they try to switch things up. If not to play 4-4-2, play maybe Kai Havertz and Gabriel Jesus at the same time for that number 9 position. Or maybe you play Educator and Gabriel Jesus at the same time. Like, switch things up. Let us see what will happen. So now that place me, I stand for. So let's just keep watching. So another one that subscribe to waiting Graham Souness they talk, or maybe when they disagree with waiting they talk. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright, away from that, so the Sun, Gon Commerce Psychology say Newcastle feel need to sell Alexander Isak to stay on the right side of financial fair play. So as it stands now, maybe Arsenal will go for the guy, I don't really know. But if one go for this Alexander Isak, assuming someone go for it, how much you think say Newcastle won't sell that player? Is this something Arsenal can afford? How much Newcastle even buy the guy from Real Sociedad? Because Arsenal is supposed to even sign the guy in the first place. But the guy love Henry. Henry now in legend, like in idol. In love Henry. In fact, in the model in game, the way Henry they play, that slickness, that pace, get that dribbling, that curving, the way they play. So the guy did very good in front of goal, but sadly we didn't go for him, and that is how life is. Life is all about risk. Newcastle took the risk and they signed the player. Imagine seeing somebody like Alexander Isak with a very prolific. Like me, I trust him. So if you give him 10 chances, he will bury at least 6. And the guy said that person if he create chances on his own, bust nets, get so, and he get pace, can dribble anybody. 1v1, you go get edge, he tall, can man. The guy get a lot of features, a lot of attributes. We make me the roots for him. But that year I wanted us to sign him, but I thought I get his own different plan. Now we are talking from the power of hindsight. Based on say he has become a success at Newcastle. To say in the flop, now maybe they score goals, nobody would mention his name in the grand scheme of things. So it is what it is. This transfer window, we'll share this as everything going. Alright, Ben Jacobs also come and talk about Amadou Onana. So Ben Jacobs come to say Amadou Onana is very open to joining Arsenal. Nobody him even give me spots. Maybe one of the media organizations out there then said they publish a story. They Amadou Onana they willing to join Arsenal. In fact, say if Arsenal give Everton like £60 million, Everton will sell the player. Personally, then buy £33 million from Lille in 2021. So they won't sell the guy, almost double the amount they buy him. But it is what it is, because Everton need money to offset some of the issues we then get with their profitability and sustainability regulations. Okay? So that's why they need to sell to offset some things. So even this morning, the Athletic can drop an expose on this financial fair. Remember I said yesterday, if you now pay attention, you will notice say for the evening update I told you say today the FA will name the clubs will breach the profitability and sustainability regulations. That's the FFP. Those will be say then surpass the 105 maximum loss threshold they surpass am. Now only 20 million Everton they surpass that threshold, they give them 10-point deduction. So they talk say the likes of Everton can still breach that law again. That's why Everton need to sell to balance their books. And books they check now. And books will say they don't already submit for December 31, 2023. Now the FA take the judge people now. Nottingham Forest, they signed 40 players since May 2022 when they gain promotion. 40 players. So then be one of the people they feel say they go shall breach that stuff. And even if they breach them, they still get like what they hear now. Say Nottingham Forest and Everton, they put their defense package. They say if they mention their name, then they go defend themselves. Say they no breach am, but see what happen. So most just watch as they go. Even Chelsea, they never left out. Even though they've been on time, they say Chelsea no really follow like that. They say Arsenal no they at risk of any breach or whatever. So maybe after today now, if every club don't know their stand, people want to buy. So not just watch. That is why you notice say we get a quiet January transfer window, not just from the point of view of Arsenal, but in generalistic. You get a quiet. Yesterday, Real Madrid beat Barca 4-1 for Super Cup. After the match, Barca called the complaint say then at this point they don't have the capability to buy. They cannot buy. But if there is this financial fair play, it knock everybody at back. So that's what it just be. Alright, so Cesc Fabregas will be one of the players of Arsenal. Instead of come and say, I can't remember something happened in the past. Let us say, once upon a time, Xabi Alonso will be one of the players of Liverpool. He was begging to join Arsenal, saying he really love Arsenal, he likes Arsenal style of play. He can't tell Fabregas. When Fabregas help and talk to Wenger or talk to anybody within in charge of recruitment, say he would like to play for Arsenal. Like the guy begged, did everything possible. Even Fabregas say he help him do everything possible, talk to who if he talk to, by the end of the day, he no materialize. So this story just come up today. Even Liverpool Echo, one of the Liverpool media houses, also published the story. Like I don't know why the story just come up. Like supposed to be something we do under wraps, because they somehow like they awkward. Go put also one kind of awkward situation. Again, but it is what it is. And the guy said the good that year of the same play for us. I said the guy said play for Real Madrid now. Same play for us that year, but really enjoy him. But it is what it is, yeah. Alright, so I don't see many links, many talks say make Arsenal go sign Benzema. Now Benzema they get issue with Al Ittihad. He never come back to pre-season, he never reports to pre-season. So they talk saying they unhappy for that place, saying would like to leave, which is why the likes of Arsenal, the likes of Manchester United are being linked to signing Karim Benzema. But here's where the problem lies. When Karim Benzema did for Real Madrid, people don't know how much salary that guy collect. That guy collect £24.1 million per year. He gets. But when he can go Al Ittihad, he can earn 86 million per year. So do you think Arsenal have that 86 million to pay him if you won't collect him from Al Ittihad? Even if now on loan, you won't even take him. Can you pay his wages? That is the major problem with the Gets now. So that's why I don't think say that's something will materialize. It's not a possibility. So if they say, you know how many news why they say about Arsenal, we say I know they really report about because they are not really that credible. That's why I know they really put my mind there. I know they even tell you now. So many people they send me some kind of messages, my dear. So choose see this story, confirm it. I'll just look at fake news. So everything we see out there, we just take. Just wait for some credible sources. Me, I get my usual suspects. Where we say right from time, anything they talk now, so you get. So I know they really go through. There are some blogs where we say they don't follow. You get. They know the sensationalism that they do for that their own side. So it is what it is. So for me, this Benzema links, but I just come on my idea. Alright, Gary Neville also come outside and talk say Tottenham Hotspur can finish above Arsenal and Liverpool for this EPL because the way they see them, look at the way they played against Manchester United yesterday. Opposite them gets plenty injury players so they out. Even Son don't report to the Asian Cup. Yeah, they still play 2-2 with Manchester United. Say what's going to happen if all their stars can come back? Saying they will finish like second for the table, so they will finish above Arsenal and Liverpool. Well, let me talk. I just laugh. Say 9 months, yes. Say you can talk anything when you like. So you say if you disagree with them, talk your own. That's what it be. Because me, I don't see anything like that happening. Although if we continue to play the way they play, we say we'll create 1 million chances. We know we'll score them. We're saying Gary Neville they talk. You can come to pass because we need to score goals also. So that's just the thing that will keep us up there competing with the best of the best. Alright, my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click out so I get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.